never before has a political organization which forms the government taken the time and expended the effort to review its performance after 1 year in office. To measure that performance against proposals and policies outlined in the manifesto presented to the electorate prior to the elections, and to make public the results of that audit through the publication of a document which we present for the nation's attention. Indeed, this is one of the obvious and tangible ways by which we have maintained our commitment to the power principle described in our 2011 manifesto and the progressive agenda which preceded it. That commitment to participation, accountability, and responsibility continues to be a foundation principle which governs our operation as a political movement.